Namaskar, peace be upon you. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. The topic of this video is Buddhism. Buddhism is an ancient Indian religion which was evolved 2500 years ago. The founder of Buddhism is Siddhartha Gautama, who is popularly known as Gautam Buddha. Buddhism is an agnostic religion. Agnostic means neither does the person believe in God nor he deny God. The person who believes in God is called theist. The person who doesn't believe in God is called atheist. But the person who is quiet, who is silent on the existence of God is called agnostic. Siddhartha Gautama didn't comment on God. He didn't say anything about God. Therefore, Buddhism is an agnostic religion. Let's discuss the history of Gautam Buddha. Siddhartha Gautama was born in a wealthy family, in a royal family, near Kapilavastu in a garden called Lumbini Garden. His father's name was King Suddhodana. His mother's name was Queen Mahamaya. He was only 7 days old when his mother passed away. Then he was brought up by his aunt Gautami. In her name, Siddhartha was named Siddhartha Gautama. And he was brought up by his aunt and his father. Later on, his father married his aunt Gautami and Gautami became his stepmother. Siddhartha lived in luxury. His father kept all the troubles, all the hard work far from him. His father kept him in the palace for entire his childhood. At the age of 16, Siddhartha got married with a woman whose name was Yasodhara. He had a son whose name was Rahul. Siddhartha was not happy inside the palace. Although he had everything he wanted, but he was still unhappy. He wanted to see the world outside. He wanted to learn the world outside. Therefore, at the age of 29, he left his house, he left his family, he left his wife and child in search of truth. While he left his house, he had only 2 companions. One is his charioteer, whose name was Channa, and his favorite horse Kantaka. This event is known as Mahaviniskramana or the Great Renunciation. Then he wandered for 6 years. At the age of 35, at Gaya in Magadha under a peepal tree, he attained Nirvana or enlightenment. Then at the age of 35, he delivered his first sermon to his 5 disciples in Sarnath. This event is known as Dharma Chakra Pravartan or turning of the wheel of law or dharma. At the age of 80, Gautam Buddha died. This event is called Mahaparinirvan. He was died in Kushinagar. He was died in 483 BCE at the age of 80, and this event is termed as Mahaparinirvan. Let's discuss the teachings of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha taught his disciples about 4 noble truths of life. There are sorrows in the world. The cause of sorrows are desires. We can remove the sorrows by removing desires from our life. We can remove desires from our life by following 8-fold paths. What are the 8-fold paths? According to Buddhism, the 8-fold paths are right belief, right thought, right action, right speech, right living, right effort, right meditation, right recollection. Let's discuss the religious scriptures of Buddhism. The holy book or the religious scripture of Buddhism is known as Tripitaka. 3 means 3, Pitaka means baskets. So Tripitaka means 3 baskets of knowledge. The first Pitaka or the first basket is called Vinaya Pitaka, in which the rules of disciplines of Buddhism are mentioned. The second Pitaka or the second basket is called Sutta Pitaka, in which the sermons of Gautam Buddha are mentioned. The third Pitaka or the third basket is called Abhidhamma Pitaka, in which the philosophical principles of Gautam Buddha are mentioned. All Buddhists live by 5 moral precepts, which prohibits killing of living organisms, taking what is not given, sexual misconduct, lying, and using alcohol or drugs. So these 5 things are prohibited for the Buddhists. So that's all for today. I hope this video might have informed something about Buddhism to you, and this video might be useful to you. So that's all for today. Thank you.